What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over our friend Fantom. We came all the way down to that 97 level of support that I dropped in my last Fantom video. Currently, we're sitting at 98, down about 0.9 on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 2.48 billion. 24-hour volume, 268 million. So let's hop straight into the analysis. As you can see, we've had our fifth wave down. I talked about us coming back down to 97 cents, which was the previous swing high back in May. So we could potentially bounce from this level. As you can see, the RSI is back down at the bottom section. The last time it was this low, we had a beautiful bounce back to the upside right here. Same level, and we saw a beautiful bounce back to the upside. For our friend FTM, as well as the money flow, you can see we're creating a lower low while creating a higher low. So we have a bit of a bullish divergence on the daily time frame. Now, if we do go a little bit lower here, what you can do is take your Fibonacci from this previous swing low up to the swing high, and you can target, if we do break down, you can target the 1.272, which is coming in at about 91 cents, and then you have the 1.414 coming in about 85 cents for FTM. But we could potentially see a bounce from this level. If we look on the 4-hour time frame, you can see we're putting in lower lows while putting in higher lows on the RSI, signifying that the bulls are running out of strength. Now, we did lose this white box of support, and there was quite a bit of support in this level. But as you can see here, we wicked down. We saw a throwback to the upside. You can see where all these wicks came down to. We had some support here as well. So the next major level, if that support is lost, we do have some swing highs right around 93 cents. And then you would target these swing lows, which are coming in about 83 cents for FTM. But as of right now, we are putting in a beautiful bullish divergence, signifying the bears are running out of strength. As you can see, lower lows, higher lows, as well as on the money flow. So we could see a nice push up to resistance. We have $1.02. I would drop in this previous swing low as well. Could definitely act as resistance here at about $1.06, and then we have all these levels of resistance: $1.13, $1.08, $1.24. The reason that I put these in here is just for traders. If you're trading this bullish divergence and you're looking for take profit levels, of course not financial advice, just based off my own opinion. That's why all these lines are dropped in there for you. I do give trade signals in the Discord for $10 a month for my exact entries, exits, take profits, stop losses. You can sign up through the Patreon. Big shout out to today's video sponsor, Crypto.com, the world's fastest growing crypto app. They have their incredible DeFi wallet where you can earn awesome interest on staking your crypto. 12.5% for Crow. That is where I stake all my Crow, as well as Atom is coming in, I believe, around 15-16%. They also have Crypto Earn, where you can earn incredible interest on staking your coins. Some of the best coins they have here: Polkadot coming in at 12.5, as well as Matic coming in at 12.5 as well. And you can also stake your stable coins. They have USDT coming in at 8%. They also have, looks like, the Australian dollar, the Canadian dollar coming in at 8% as well as the British pound coming in at 8%. And of course, they have Crow coming in at 6%. And their incredible Visa card, where you can receive free Spotify, Netflix, Prime travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. You also receive cash back in Crow and $25 just for signing up through my referral. Top of the comments, make sure to check it out. So let's get back into the analysis. Okay, and if we look at the weekly time frame, I have been mentioning the bearish divergence on the weekly. As you can see here, we created higher highs while creating lower highs. And I did talk about the RSI potentially coming all the way back down to oversold, and we still have a little bit of room. So if this bearish divergence is going to fully play out, we still have a little bit of room to come down on the RSI. But the money flow is quite low. As you can see, the last times we were this low, we weren't even this low when we saw this massive push back to the upside. And the last time we were pretty close to the same level was right here, and we saw a massive push back to the upside. So the money flow is right now back down at that level on the weekly time frame. With our dollar cost average strategy, so far we've had 6 entries, equal amounts at each buy zone, brings your average price down halfway each time. And our break even is sitting at 176. Our next buy zone is here at 59 cents, but you could definitely look to add a buy zone here at 83 cents to bring down your average price. So in the short term for FTM here on the daily time frame, we could definitely see a bounce from this level as the RSI is quite low. As you can see right here, the RSI was low. We saw a nice push back to the upside. Right here as well, RSI was near oversold. Nice push back to the upside. So once again, we're at that level. We do have a bullish divergence on the daily money flow, as well as a bullish divergence on the 4-hour time frame on the RSI, as well as the money flow. So resistance levels to watch, I'm just going to pop it back open to this chart here, about $1.02, $1.06, and $1.13 if we do see a nice push back to the upside. And as I mentioned here, if we do continue to break down, you can use your Fibonacci from this previous swing low up to the swing high. Just let me pull this out a little bit, pull this over. So if we do lose about 97, 96 cents, if we lose this low, honestly, we could still put in a little bit of a lower low while continuing to see that bullish divergence. But your next strong level of support, the 1.272, is coming in here at about 91 cents, the 1.414 at about 85 cents. And I have dropped in this line here at 82 cents, which is this previous swing low for FTM. I do think there is a good opportunity to bounce, but of course I always go over both the bullish and the bearish scenario. But we do have a beautiful bullish divergence on the 4-hour, which does usually lead to a bit of a push back to the upside. So if that divergence does start to play out, you could see a push up to these levels of resistance. So that is it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord. We have over 1,800 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the $10 membership, you can receive my exact entries, exits, take profits, and stop losses. And for the $350 USD membership, you do receive access to the DCA trading strategy, the DCA charts for the live dollar cost average trades on the channel, buy and take profit zones based off support, resistance, Fibonacci if you want to start dollar cost averaging into your positions. And of course, 1,900 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You really can't beat it. You can sign up to the Patreon. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.